For a Monday special, Midcap Mania with Nigel D'Souza. And the stock on his radar is a company that's been known for their greeting cards, but is now in the process of transforming into an e-commerce play. Nigel?
Well, Anuj, I'm sure you gave one of these cards back in the day, and I as well did. So the stock we're talking about is Archies. Unfortunately, it's not been such a great performer, but I was just looking at it, a market cap of around 75 crores, and it has quite a big brand recall. Now, a couple of triggers that could play out. The fourth quarter is always the best for it. We have Valentine's Day. That's one of the factors that plays out there. And also, could it be the next big e-commerce play? Could it be? That's the question that we're asking, in fact. It operates close to around 230 exclusive stores, 66 cities where it's across states. It's also in the international market as well. It has some presence in Sri Lanka as well as in Bangladesh. Now, running you through the stock move then, it's been a big underperformer, as I told you. So though the stock is high with a gain of around 25-30% in the last 1 year, just take a look at what it's done from the highs that we saw in December. It's down close to around 35%. The promoter holding is at around 60% approximately, while the dividend payout, it's very small. Though you take a look at it in percentage terms, it's a good 25%. So those are the factors, in fact, in terms of the company. Now, can it be the next big online e-commerce proxy bet? I was going through their website. I've been on the website even a year ago, and they've changed drastically. So a few new items have been included. They have included some discounts as well. So those are a couple of factors. It looks a lot more attractive. We'll have to see whether that translates into sales, but it looks a lot more attractive than it did just last year. They're selling jewelry on it, good, pretty decently priced as well. And as I said, they're giving some hefty discounts as well. Now, they've entered into some tie-ups with Hallmark, Garfield, as well as Peanuts. Now, this is mentioned on their website itself, but the financials, that's been very disappointing. They came out with their set of numbers last week itself, and it didn't look good at all. And the first 9 months, if you just take a look at it, they've seen some kind of growth. If you just take a look at it, that in fact is the first half of the year numbers that are up for you. But in the full year, they did around 190 crores last year, while the profitability was at around 4 crores approximately. The fourth quarter is very, very good. And over the last couple of years, they've transformed just from a greetings card to, in fact, a gift store. So the revenues on their cards have been going in low, but in fact, their gifts have been moving higher. And that's what gives you better margins as well. But in terms of talking about can it be the next e-commerce play? The management has joined us on the channel, and they said they started late, but they're looking to increase that. So just to compare it with Intrasoft trades at around 90-95 times, while currently Archies trades at only around 17 times. So if things go well, then it could be a good potential stock for the long run at least.
All right, Nigel, thanks for that. It's sad to hear that revenues from their cards business is going down. I remember in the good old days, we would be so excited to get cards on birthdays, etc. But I guess out with
it's
the
all
old
about
and in
WhatsApp,
with
I
the
think.
new.
Sonia, I think everyone sends their messages by WhatsApp and the like. So I think because of that, maybe the demand has moved lower, though I did go over the weekend and get one from there.
Oh, not bad. Okay. Old is gold, as they say. Thanks, Nigel, for that. Archies is his Midcap Mania, and the stock is up about 10% odd. But let's get back to the markets.